At the beginning of 2019, I said to myself, and I said to everybody watching on my YouTube channel, I'm going back to art school. I wanted to get better at the job that I was doing. I accidentally found myself being a tech/art YouTuber, mainly reviewing drawing tablets and things like that. And I learned a lot about the tech side, but I wanted to become a better illustrator. And with the help of you guys, the community, I got a lot of resources, and I got a lot of tips, and I got a lot of great information on how to go about building my online education. So I really had two goals at the beginning of 2019. One was to become a better illustrator, but two was to take some of the resources that I was using and the resources you guys were recommending to me and compiling them all into one place. That's what my digital art starter kit is. A lot of the stuff that is in this digital art starter kit is stuff that I've talked about or I've shared across hundreds of YouTube videos, and I wanted to put it all in one easy to access place. Whether we're talking about what to look for in hardware or what software is the best fit for me, or even some of the brushes I use, or best practice habits, how I got into the habit of getting better and practicing over and over. I wanted to put all of those things in one place. I even wanted to take all of the resources that you guys were recommending to me, the free resources and the paid resources, and put them into one big list so that you can build your own curriculum and go to art school online without spending tens of thousands of dollars. There's a bunch of other stuff I've been doing here as well, including my email newsletter, which currently comes out once every other week, sometimes a little bit more if I have more resources to share. I share new resources on my art journey that I'm going on. I also share a Q&A, so if you have a question, you can just reply to the email newsletter and I will get that and reply to it in a video in the next email newsletter. All sorts of stuff. So sign up, check out the stuff, and if you have any recommendations of how I can make it better, let me know. I would love to hear it because it's the community that's helped build this resource and I want to keep adding to it over time.